All right, guys. So this is my Hoover PowerDash pet carpet cleaner. Now I don't have no pets. I don't have no little baby that's potty trained. But I get, if you're looking for a carpet cleaner to clean your carpet, you have to get one that say pet. Okay, so bought it from Amazon. I had it in my cart like for 2 days, and I was just looking around to see, between the Hoover and the Bristol, which one is better. The Bristol is so expensive, but then I had it in my cart for 2 days. When I put it in my cart, it was under $90. The next 2 days is $100. So people, if you want it, get it. So this is how it comes. The only thing that Amazon, I can say Amazon just bring it just like this to the door. Well, it's November, the weekend before Thanksgiving 2021. I don't think it should come like this because people in the neighborhood, people walk around to steal it. But so I'm gonna try it. As I said, I have no pets, but to get your carpet clean, you need one of this. So it said, I think it's power spin, it's heat force, and it's lightweight. All right, so I'm gonna open it, and we're all gonna see what's inside. This is open box. We're gonna see what's inside. Come with the manual. And I was trying to see if I could get one that could take apart and do the sofa and the window, but not now. Maybe later on. But this is the little cleaner that comes with it. It's so tiny. And then they'll give you a sample so you can go in a bag. I think it comes in a couple little pieces, and then I put it together. You have this one. You have this one with the bottle to clean. So I think it said, I already read up on it. It has hot water. You have like hot water or very warm water. So it shows you where you put the water up to, and then you put the cleaner. Okay, the cleaner goes after the line, hot water, and then cleaner. All right, so that's the next piece. And then I bought the mat. So you can put the mat down to put it down later when you're not using it. All right, so let's get into taking out this now. All the way down. All right, here you go. All the way stuck. So as you see, it's not that much put together. You have this piece, you have this piece for the water, and you have this piece and this piece. So I'm gonna put it together and get the water and the cleaner inside. Then I'm gonna come back and clean my kids' room before I do the living room.
A few moments later.
Okay, so this red one here, turn it on, and it's on. It's turning on. And this right here, you click it, and it spray the water out. Okay, and then this is the clean water with solution, and this is the dirty tank. All right, so when you press it forward, when you press forward like this, and this one is to release it, so this one releases so it comes down. And when you press forward, you're cleaning. It's gonna be wet. And then when you come back, it's when you dry. Okay, but I'm going to do a couple times. Okay, all right. So just to do this little room, all of the water is almost there, finished. And I should let you know forgot to let you guys know that I already vacuumed the room before. So this is the dirty water, and this, as you can see, all that dirt in just this little spot. Yeah, so I would give this a 10 out of 10. Yes, it cleans the house good, very lightweight. And what I'm going to do with it, the carpet is nice and soft, clean, but I think I'm going to just do it one more time without releasing water, just to dry it up. Okay, so when you clean it, you can just do it again with not squeezing this, so you can just have a nice dry carpet.